Hey, what's going on guys? Phil here from the Sydney Trains Vlogs channel. I'm here at Wahroonga in request for Jimmy Lee. I just missed T75 and T122 departing this platform here, platform number 2, for a Hornsby service. And it's the train I got off. I didn't get my phone out in time to start recording, so it's a bummer. T68 arriving into platform 2, Hornsby service. Waitara and Hornsby are its only stops. Sounds like there's a bit of a flat spot in 6171 or 5171. Rehalf T83.
23. Service to Wahroonga via the North Shore and Western lines has been delayed. More information will be provided as soon as it becomes available.
Saved me from saying it. Late running Wahroonga service is now arriving in platform 2.
On platform 2 goes to
A17.
all stations to Wahroonga.
Yeah, okay, that was a helpful announcement, wasn't it? The next train on platform 2, which is a Hornsby service, it's also delayed.
The next train to arrive on platform 2 goes to Hornsby. First stop Waitara and then Hornsby.
Just thought I'd let the announcement play. Here's another train arriving on platform 2. Late running Hornsby service, A40 is the set. There's been no trains on platform 1 since I've been here. But I'm going to jump on this train, so on that note, I'll wrap up the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. And also, if you'd like, please subscribe if you haven't already. Give me a thumbs up and favourite the video. See you on the next vlog. Bye for now.